ready to blast off into the world of crypto and create your own digital asset. First, let's design your tokenomics. Think about the total supply, the token name, and the symbol Y euro like Bitcoin is BTC. These details will be embedded in your smart contract. We'll be using the Ethereum ERC20 Standard, which provides a blueprint for your token. It ensures compatibility with wallets, exchanges, and other decentralized applications. Next, let's head to a platform like Remixide, a browser-based tool for writing and deploying smart contracts. Here, you'll write your ERC20 contract using the Solidity programming language. You can find lots of templates online to get you started. Now, connect your MetaMask wallet to Remix. Make sure you're on the Ethereum test network like Ropsten or Goerli. This is crucial for testing without using real money. Compile your smart contract in Remix and then deploy it to the test network. MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, your token lives on the blockchain. Finally, you can verify your contract on Etherscan, and you can start thinking about listing your token on exchanges. Remember, thorough testing and understanding the risks are essential before launching your digital asset. Now, go build something amazing.